How to add Zigbee devices to Home Assistant with Dongle-PP10. Next, I will walk you through step-by-step on how to connect the Dongle-PP10 to Home Assistant and add Zigbee devices. Once the dongle is ready, you will also need a host running ZHA. We are using a Raspberry Pi. Plug your Dongle-PP10 into the Raspberry Pi via the USB extension cable. The included USB extension cable helps prevent electromagnetic interference that can occur with direct insertion, ensuring a more stable signal. The first method to connect to HA is through ZHA. After plugging in the dongle, it will be automatically detected by ZHA and HA's devices and services. Click Add and follow the on-screen instructions to configure it. It takes just a few seconds to complete. The second method to connect to HA is through Zigbee2MQTT. You need to install two add-ons, Mosquito Broker and Zigbee2MQTT. First, go to the add-on store. Search for Mosquito Broker, install it and enable it. Second, go back to the add-on store. Enter the Z2M download URL from GitHub. This will allow you to download the Zigbee2MQTT add-on. Once the download is complete, go to the configuration page. Enter the corresponding configuration details for the Dongle-PP10. Complete the setup and enable it. After it is successfully enabled, you can open the UI console and start adding Zigbee sub-devices. Both of the above methods allow you to add and control local Zigbee devices. We have also included a detailed step-by-step guide with links in the video below for your reference. Now, come and experience SONOFF flagship USB dongle powered by the Texas Instruments chipset solution.